Alright, hello everyone. Very quickly, welcome to my YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe if you have not. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a business manager or an ad account on your phone using your phone. So all you have to do is come to your browser and type business.facebook.com. Once you click on business.facebook.com, to bring you up to this particular page. And once you get to this page, okay, just a minute. So once you get to this page, then all you need, this is the business manager interface, showing your details, your ad account performance, your pages, the alerts, and every other thing that is on your in your account. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we are going to be navigating through to get to creating your ads manager. So all you have to do is click on these three lines, and you can come to your business setting. Click on business settings. When you click on business settings, it will load up and show you a place whereby you can carry out some different activities. Well, the essence of this video is to show you how to create ads manager majorly, so I will not bother myself with the other things. So all you have to do, if your account doesn't have an ads manager, so all you have to do is zoom in and come to the place where it says add account. Click on add account. Once you click on add account, then you come to this place. So in your own on your phone, it will not be showing anything here. So you will see add, or you see create a new ad account or create ad account. So you click on it, then follow the process step by step, then you'll be able to create another account. So if I had another account and I want to add it to this particular business manager, so the name showing here on top, Akingbola Ezike, is my business manager, while the one showing down here, Akingbola Ezike, is my business is my ad account. Well, in some subsequent video I'll be explaining better. So you can click on add. Once you click on add, you can see that you are left with three options. You can add an ad account, you can request access to another account, you can create a new ad account. So in your case, you can click on create new account. So in that place, it will activate this particular option. I hope you get it. So I hope this video is very helpful. Kindly make sure you subscribe. I'll be releasing videos of this series and showing you how to manage your ad account and also manage your business manager. Thank you.